Hey guys, welcome back to MomovalltradesDIY. In today's video, we will be participating with the Real Housewives of Craft Country Challenge. The host is Rusted Willow, the co-host is Simply Becky DIY, and the second co-host is Junker Necker DIY. The channels will be linked in the description box down below. So, in today's DIY, I'm going to be making this lemon sign. So here in the New England area where I live, usually during the summertime, we have a bit of an intense summer. So usually outside, people are always holding some sort of like strawberry festival or lemonade stands outside of their houses. And we have a big farm community where I live. So that's why for this DIY, I decided to dedicate it to those farmhouse kind of style, and along with, every single summer when we have the lemonade stands coming outside. But because of COVID, that's not really happening. But before, that would usually always happen. So what I'm doing here is that I had this board, which I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just taking this one beautiful little sign that says Fresh Squeezed Lemonade, which is from a calendar. And I'm going to be gluing it on top of that board. So to begin with, I'm going to be using this brush and some Mod Podge. And to begin with, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to, Mod Podge it all under the board, and then I'm going to glue it on top. And then later on, I'll also be applying Mod Podge on the top too, to give it kind of that glossy look. Now, since the glue is applied all over the back of the sign, I'm going to be taking this popsicle stick and I'm going to be flattening it around the surface of the board in order that there's no air bubbles that is left inside. Now since that's done, I'm going to be doing some last touches and trying to secure it, and then I'm going to set it off to dry. As you can see, the excess lining of the paper still remains, so I'm going to be taking my X-Acto knife and I'm going to be cutting them off. Once I have finished off cutting off all the excess lining of paper, I'm now going to be sanding off the edges. Now once everything is all nicely sanded down, I'm going to be adding these blocks. So you can find these blocks from Dollar Tree. And then what I'll be doing is that I'll be applying a ribbon over them. This ribbon has these cute little lemon designs, which you can also find from Dollar Tree. bow on the side of the sign. And then I'm going to add this yellow bead in the middle of it. I tried to do this to kind of cutify this a bit, but I still felt like there was some stuff missing. So then I decided to make a little tweaks here and there. I added a leaf onto the bow, and then I added ribbon all around the frame. And then after that, I had my final look. Check this out. This is how I made it look like. I added some beads on the top to make it hang, and then as I said, I added a leaf on it. This is such a fresh and cute look. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below where you can find more beautiful DIYs from other creators too. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to watch more. Bye!